In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 18 cleanup tool not showing on your iPhone. So, in case your cleanup tool isn't showing on your iPhone with iOS 18, here are some possible reasons why that is. Now, after updating to iPhone iOS 18 or above, you may not see that tool, and it may be because you're not using a compatible iPhone as a device. So, the thing to know here is that only iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max and the iPhone 16 series are eligible for the cleanup tool, and I will provide a full list down below a bit later. Now, you're running iOS 18.0 instead of iOS 18.1. This is the second reason why this could be happening. So the cleanup tool is actually a very new tool, and it's only included in the iOS 18.1, which is currently in beta. So in case you haven't installed the iOS 18.1 beta yet, it's time to do it and to reap the rewards and get the cleanup tool. So the cleanup Apple Intelligence feature is unavailable in EU countries, so in European countries, and mainland China, okay? So users in these regions won't have access to it. Now, in case you're in the European country or the mainland China, you may not have this feature because you're located there purely. However, in these regions, you'll probably get access in the future updates. Now, yet again, the cleanup tool might still be downloading, okay? So in case you've just recently installed the 18.1, iOS 18.1, and you don't see it yet, you may have to wait a bit or simply reboot your device and see if that helps. Now, there may also be a temporary bug or a system glitch, however, this is very unlikely. So in case you think there may be a glitch, you can try restarting your device and seeing if that fixed the issue, or maybe even contacting Apple support to see if they can do something about it, or perhaps check if that's the issue. Now, as I said earlier, I'm gonna mention the available devices that are eligible for the cleanup tool in iOS 18. So, as I said, the cleanup tool uses Apple Intelligence, okay? So it's only supported on iPhones with AI capabilities and the ones that use Apple Intelligence, okay? Now, here's the full list. So the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, and the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are the only versions who currently have Apple Intelligence and are therefore eligible to have the cleanup tool. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.